Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Steam application on your PC. So without any delay, let's start the video. First of all, go to your browser and here just type Steam and enter. And after that, on the first option you can see steampower.com. This is their official website. Just click the website here. And after that, on top of the website, you can see install Steam. Just click the option here and it will bring you to this page. And here you can see install Steam for Windows. Just click the option and it will start automatically downloading to your PC. And after that, go to the folder that you downloaded the Steam. And now to install it, all you have to do is double click it here and select yes. And after that, this Steam setup will appear on your PC. Just select the next option here. You can choose any language you like, but English, I'm going to choose the English option here. And after that, just click next. And you can also change the destination folder. The space required is less than 500 megabyte. So it won't be that problem. Just click install again. And as you can see, the installation process is started and the installation is completed, and just click finish. And now they are updating the Steam and you have to download another 250. So you have to wait for it to finish the download option. This is their in-app update system, so you have to wait for the download to be finished. After completing the download, it will extract some packages to update the Steam. This process will take a few minutes, so you have to wait patiently about that. And now the installation process is finished. So to open the Steam, all you have to do is click the Steam icon here, or you can search for the Steam application by clicking the search option here. Just double click it to open the application. And now this is the Steam application we downloaded right now. All you have to do is sign in to your account, or if you don't have an account, just click the create a free account here. This is an easy process, you all can do it. So after that, enjoy your Steam and enjoy the gameplay. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you. And if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.